Dark Adventures é um canal voltado ao sobrenatural e explorações de florestas com o avistamento do pé grande, Neste vídeo, adentra a uma floresta onde aparições de criaturas são vistos. Ela leva consigo um spirit box e sua coragem.
Jesus Christ, okay, fuck that shit, okay? Oh my God, I don't care if it's saved or not, I'm out. Where's my keys? What is that? No, hold on. Okay, don't panic. Where's my keys? There is a right there. Come on. Guys. Do you guys see it? Stop. There's no fucking way, dude. Sorry, watch my mouth. I'm sorry, there's just no way, dude. Because that thing broke over there way past my truck there. Stop. Hold on, I'm too zoomed in. It's not moving. It's not moving anymore. It was walking earlier, and now it's just sitting there. Oh, Marcy, thank you. What the fuck? What is that? Guys? I don't understand what I'm looking at here. That don't look right. It don't look right. Hold on a minute. They're walking with me. Do you guys hear that? I don't know, but it don't look right. I can't hold it steady enough. My hands are too shaky, guys. I've been holding this camera all day. What in the fuck is that? Dude, he's got a white face. Look at that! Guys? What? Did it just move? I can't. I'm freaking out. Hold on. Stop shaking. What am I looking at right now? Don't do that. No. I'm moving. You don't move. I want to go to my car. I want to go to my car. Where'd it go? Huh, it peeked around that tree. Oh, hell no. I can't do this, guys. I'm in the mountains. I can't do this. Did you? Oh, man. Okay. Where was I? I gotta get back to where I was, because I'm in here deeper than I want to be. I want to be towards where I know.
Faz uma live em uma montanha com relatos de avistamento de pé grande e outras criaturas. Mas enquanto grava a live e fala com os espectadores, ela é observada por algo de olhos vermelhos, que a segue pela floresta enquanto ela explora juntamente com quem a assiste.
I'm not taking my eyes off this thing. Nope. Woo. Hi. I don't know. I'm shaking, guys. And then I just had this break next to me. Where'd my little... Why aren't you... Huh. Where'd you go? Hey, no, don't leave. Come back. Wait, I'm not chasing you. Where'd you go? Oh, no, please. I'm sorry. Guys. It's gone. I don't know if you could come out and say hi. It'd be great. Oh. Hello. I'm nervous, guys. Anyone? I don't know what to do. I just keep soft talking. Oh. My God. Hi. Hello. Okay. Okay, so there's two. I'm gonna stop because it's little. Hi. That other one was bigger, but that doesn't mean that it's not a juvenile or something sitting there, but I don't know. It could be a deer or a coyote, which is... Whoop! Hi. Hello. I wouldn't even have noticed that if it didn't move. Whew. Hi. Where'd you go? Okay, now it's not there. Where'd it go? There's a little bit of a shadow, but not much as it was. Where'd it go? As soon as you take the light off, they're gone. I don't know if y'all saw that. It looked like a face to me, and then now it's gone. Come back. Woo. Is he over here? Wait, where'd that come from? That came from down there. I got this damn hat on, and it blocks my big satellites from the side of my head. Stop. Okay. Nope. Did you guys get...
Dee, enquanto subia mais a montanha, percebia que algo se aproximava. E em um determinado ponto isolado da montanha, é possível perceber alto abaixado a espreitando, e quando Dee foca a sua atenção à criatura, ela grunhe como percebera que foi descoberta. Dee corre assustada, pois está sozinha naquele local. Falso ou não, a live é impressionante, com momentos de tensão e terror para quem assiste. No final, ela consegue chegar a seu veículo e sair dali rapidamente. O canal The Man's Life explora lugares e florestas, mostrando a beleza e os mistérios desses lugares. Porém, nesse determinado vídeo, Mendes inicia sua caminhada, já com uma sensação de que está sendo perseguido por alguém. A todo momento para e olha para trás, com um certo incômodo. Ele não estaria errado. Alguém espreitava e o perseguia. Para alguém fazer isso, boas intenções não tinha. Veja.
Listen to that. Right in there. Something's running right in there. Don't know if that's an animal or a person trying to sneak around me. I do know for a fact that we were sent here for a reason. What the f... What's that? I was in the middle of a cinematic. What the hell was that? That came from in the forest. Something doesn't feel right. Something feels really off. Well, would you look at that? The exact same golf ball. Literally in the tree right there. Someone put it back in. I think that's the exact same one that Blake found. This is a little bit weird. Maybe he's right though. Maybe it was a marker of some sort.
Ele continua a ouvir barulhos e sentir-se vigiado. Em um determinado ponto ele encontra uma bola de golfe que havia deixado em um local, mas que ela havia aparecido ali novamente, o deixando assustado e desconfortável. Ele continua caminhando até que então é surpreendido pelo seu perseguidor.
The hell was that? I straight up heard movement behind me. I think someone's down there. Like right over there. I don't know, that was really weird. That sounded like it came from the path. Oh, sorry if I seem a little bit stuffed up. Still got the aftermath of COVID, and it's made it really hard to be talking. So, apologize if I'm a little bit still sniffly. Okay, I think I gotta get out of here. I think there's one individual here somewhere. I don't get the sense that there's many, but I get the sense that there's like at least one. I don't see anybody. Oh shit! Oh. 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 They just noticed me. They just noticed me. Okay. Okay. I don't know if they're coming. I don't know if they're coming.
Ele se abriga em um local após constatar que estava sendo seguido. E não seria apenas uma pessoa, haveria mais. Eles se escondem em um ponto alto da trilha e espera que quem quer que seja vá embora e não lhe faça mal.
Whoever that is right down the path. What is that person doing down there? This is so fucked up. Okay. I think I'm gonna make a run for it when I can.
Ele espera, e após algum tempo, sem sinal de que alguém o tenha seguido, ele se arma com um canivete e desce a trilha. Mendes sai da floresta e não demonstra intenções de voltar àquele local, devido à periculosidade e o terror que passou.
With the bars on the windows. Now, pretty much this whole area is rumored to be haunted and has cryptid activity. Bigfoot My Boy, there's researchers out here, they have like festivals, so Bigfoot My Boy is a very prevalent one out here. Also, just spiritual hauntings. A lot of spiritual hauntings out here in multiple areas all throughout. But the path that we're about to go down here in just a minute, apparently if we go walk back there far enough, there's fences and armed men. And then she said there was a bunch of crawlers in the trees. She also told me that she had to take that video down. So this place is crazy, my chest.
Exploring with Bear é um canal voltado ao sobrenatural e a busca pela prova da existência do pé grande e outras criaturas lendárias. Ele sobe até uma montanha com histórias perturbadoras e encontros com criaturas e espíritos. Ele se aventura até um caminho conhecido pelos perigos e aparições. Bear iria provar das histórias pessoalmente enquanto caminhava pela trilha.
Whoop! I just heard breathing right behind me. That was a growly breath. Man, I don't feel good. Oh, there was it again. There it was again. No freaking way, man. That thing sounded terrifying. No way. What is that? Nope. Man, I'm a long ways from the truck yet. Ow. Ow, my freaking... Ow! Hold on. I can't run. I'm too far from the truck. Oh, crap. I can't walk backwards, so... Whew. Hold on. I know you guys heard that. I know you guys heard that. Ow. Man, we gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. Okay. Just a fast pace. Fast, steady. Oh, man. Screw this camera. Okay. So, I just jogged some more. And I'm not worried about filming it. Just worried about moving fast.
Bear relata que algo o seguia e rosnava para ele. Poderia ser um animal o espreitando para atacar, ou alguma criatura mística que o seguia com a mesma intenção. Ele relata que a sensação era de desconforto e terror, e que as histórias que rondam o lugar são reais. Deixe nos comentários se você teria a coragem de explorar sozinho ou sozinha locais inóspitos e com histórias de assombrações e aparições de criaturas desconhecidas. Gostou do vídeo? Compartilhe, curta e se inscreva para não perder nenhum novo vídeo. E não se esqueça, nunca feche os olhos.
Anyway, I don't feel right. I hope you enjoyed this adventure. If you did, do me a favor, smash that like. It lets YouTube know I'm doing a decent job.